economic elite, economic focus, economic gain, economic law, economic miracle, economic security, economic situation, economic union, economic consequence, economic environment, economic method, economic practice, economic center, economic committee, economic consideration, economic disadvantage, economic effect, economic force, economic function, economic liberalism, economic life, economic nationalism, economic outlook, economic pressure, economic reason, economic region, economic sanction, economic significance, economic sphere, economic structure, economic wealth, economic affair, economic challenge, economic control, economic freedom, economic industrial, economic influence, economic mechanism, economic stagnation, economic strategy, economic thinking, economic trend, economic zone, economic zones, economic work, economic advancement, economic approach, economic area, economic assessment, economic boom, economic business, economic commission, economic council, economic dependence, economic difference, economic difficulty, economic disaster, economic disruption, economic equilibrium, economic exploitation, economic feature, economic forecasting, economic gap, economic imperialism, economic integration, economic interpretation, economic knowledge, economic output, economic potential, economic reality, economic reform, economic resurgence, economic review, economic school, economic slowdown, economic standpoint, economic survey, economic transaction, economic upheaval, economic vitality, economic warfare, economic renewal, economic doctrine, economic group, economic purpose, economic woe, economic culture, economic enterprise, economic goal, economic implication, economic management, economic objective, economic perspective, economic stress, economic valuation, economic application, economic action, economic affairs, economic behavior, economic boost, economic boycott, economic burden, economic calamity, economic capacity, economic center, economic climate, economic collapse, economic community, economic competitiveness, economic complexity, economic conference, economic context, economic contraction, economic course, economic crop, economic cycle, economic decision, economic demand, economic distress, economic dominance, economic engine, economic entity, economic equality, economic event, economic feasibility, economic forecast, economic framework, economic help, economic idea, economic ideology, economic independence, economic landscape, economic leverage, economic liability, economic malaise, economic meltdown, economic mobility, economic mobilization, economic momentum, economic necessity, economic need, economic opening, economic planning, economic prediction, economic productivity, economic program, economic prospect, economic question, economic regulation, economic relationship, economic report, economic safety, economic shock, economic stimulus, economic threat, economic time, economic transformation, economic transition, economic viability, economic view, economic circumstance, economic market, economic justice, economic partnership, economic position, economic anxiety, economic character, economic discussion, economic emergency, economic energy, economic experiment, economic quality, economic regeneration, economic renaissance, economic competition, economic consequences, economic field, economic investment, economic operation, economic partner, economic plan, economic rescue, economic society, economic subject, economic department, economic form, economic network, economic scale, economical use, economical method, economically viable, economically important, economically efficient, economically feasible, economically independent, economically dependent, economically productive, economically strong, economically useful, economically advanced, economically attractive, economics research, economics education, economy grow, economy base, economy scale, economy society, economy system, economy produce, economy state, economy status, economy environment, economy recover, economy theory, economy expand, economy suffer, economy model, economy work, economy globalization, economy life, economy minister, economy rebound, economy science, economy standard, economy transition, economy power, economy increase, economy market, economy policy, economy study, economy law, economy level, economy production, economy area, economy contract, economy function, economy generate, economy management, economy pattern, economy progress, economy research, economy trade, economy value, economy development, economy boom, economy growth, economy index, economy regulation, economy zone, economy burst, economy impact, economy information, economy movement, economy network, economy order, economy practice, ecosystem service, ecosystem process, ecosystem management, ecosystem restoration, ecosystem services, ecosystem environment, edge technology, edge effect, edge research, edge tool, edge location, edge structure, edge feature, edge bottom, edge face, edge shape, edge space, edible fruit, edible oil, edible fungus, Edinburgh University, edit book, edit system, editing software, editing process, editorial staff, educate child, educate student, educate public, educate school, educate people, educate generation, educate worker, educated class, educated people, education system, education research, education program, education act, education class, education experience, education institution, education policy, education training, education service, education need, education association, education program, education model, education standard, education standards, education practice, education reform, education technology, education process, education law, education method, education opportunity, education state, education curriculum, education level, education sector, education assessment, education forum, education major, education science, education fund, education study, education budget, education degree, education goal, education project, education skill, education activity, education career, education development, education field, education history, education philosophy, education professional, education report, education resource, education strategy, education work, education world, education age, education board, education bill, education department, education foundation, education funding, education gap, education group, education means, education psychology, education technique, education benefit, education aim, education business, education employment, education form, education industry, education information, education intervention, education management, education plan, education requirement, education support, education value, education influence, education movement, education area, education attainment, education authority, education college, education community, education cost, education course, education design, education equality, education evaluation, education expert, education idea, education institute, education instruction, education minister, education ministry, education mode, education position, education principle, education programs, education regulation, education society, education style, education view, education academy, education agency, education approach, education guide, education profession, education purpose, education result, education administration, education campaign, education center, education faculty, education guidance, education life, education official, education organization, education planning, education problem, education services, education stage, education subject, education domain, education situation, education tool, education university, educational psychology, educational system, educational institution, educational program, educational theory, educational philosophy, educational objective, educational setting, educational strategy, educational attainment, educational organization, educational psychologist, educational research, educational approach, educational practice, educational development, educational experience, educational intervention, educational opportunity, educational reform, educational policy, educational level, educational purpose, educational environment, educational establishment, educational material, educational model, educational achievement, educational technology, educational process, educational quality, educational standard, educational content, educational software, educational assessment, educational goal, educational planning, educational status, educational success, educational value, educational institute, educational professional, educational project, educational activity, educational authority, educational career, educational choice, educational community, educational concept, educational context, educational curriculum, educational equality, educational form, educational foundation, educational law, educational method, educational need, educational progress, educational researcher, educational service, educational study, educational technique, educational television, educational tool, educational administrator, educational change, educational background, educational benefit, educational course, educational program, educational right, educational science, effect change, effect occur, effect result, effect level, effect measure, effect factor, effect reduce, effect impact, effect model, effect influence, effect disappear, effect reduction, effect contrast, effect difference, effect relation, effect assessment, effect control, effect test, effect mechanism, effect value, effective way, effective method, effective size, effective treatment, effective use, effective system, effective drug, effective approach, effective number, effective dose, effective means, effective measure, effective management, effective program, effective protection, effective response, effective tool, effective decision, effective governance, effective planning, effective strategy, effective technique, effective vaccine, effective channel, effective prevention, effective work, effective action, effective area, effective capacity, effective component, effective help, effective leader, effective mode, effective model, effective plan, effective process, effective arrangement, effective communication, effective control, effective functioning, effective product, effective regulation, effective technology, effective therapy, effective agent, effective campaign, effective cooperation, effective cost, effective defense, effective deterrent, effective evidence, effective form, effective intervention, effective manager, effective marketing, effective participation, effective range, effective rate, effective teaching, effective writing, effective execution, effective instrument, effective cause, effective check, effective maintenance, effective information, effective market, effective material, effective methods, effective production, effective recovery, effective result, effective screening, effective time, effective training, effective assessment, effective element, effective link, effective speed, effective state, effective strain, effectively remove, effectively ban, effectively eliminate, effectively manage, effectively use, effectively destroy, effectively establish, effectively promote, effectively reduce, effectively solve, effectively absorb, effectively control, effectively double, effectively prevent, effectively protect, effectively suppress, effectively evaluate, effectively increase, effectively induce, effectiveness research, effectiveness analysis, effectiveness model, efficacy evaluation, efficiency improve, efficiency standard, efficiency increase, efficiency model, efficiency rate, efficiency analysis, efficiency decrease, efficiency improvement, efficiency value, efficiency method, efficiency saving, efficiency savings, efficient use, efficient system, efficient way, efficient method, efficient process, efficient engine, efficient mechanism, efficient solution, efficient equipment, efficient technology, efficient transportation, efficient form, efficient handling, efficient machine, efficient manner, efficient processing, efficient product, efficient allocation, efficient management, efficient support, efficient outcome, efficient application, efficient approach, efficient delivery, efficient design, efficient execution, efficient information, efficient level, efficient model, efficient organization, efficient service, efficient supply, efficient technique, efficient tool, efficient transport, efficient treatment, efficient utilization, efficient flow, efficient decision, efficient mode, efficient practice, efficient program, efficient protection, efficient control, efficient cost, efficient government, efficient production, efficient instrument, efficiently solve, efficiently use, efficiently perform, efficiently achieve, effort fail, egg cell, egg yolk, egg hatch, egg production, egg shape, egg white, egg shell, egg laying, egg salad, egg formation, ego consciousness, Egyptian government, Egyptian pharaoh, Egyptian people, Egyptian woman, 18th century, 18th century, 8th grader, 8th grade, 8th day, either side, elaborate system, elaborate display, elaborate design, elaborate structure, elaborate plan, elaborate ceremony, elaborate process, elaboration phase, elastic property, elastic strain, elastic band, elastic bandage, elastic plastic, elder son, elder abuse, elder care, elder generation, elder people, elder brother, elderly people, elderly woman, elderly man, elderly population, elderly couple, elderly patient, elect president, elect representative, elect mayor, elect minister, election official, election day, election year, election campaign, election result, election system, election approach, election ballot, election date, election defeat, election procedure, election victory, election commission, election process, elective surgery, elective course, electoral vote, electoral system, electoral district, electoral defeat, electoral process, electoral contest, electoral commission, electric charge, electric field, electric current, electric power, electric guitar, electric motor, electric vehicle, electric car, electric lighting, electric light, electric shock, electric company, electric railway, electric utility, electric force, electric heating, electric lamp, electric appliance, electric instrument, electric machine, electric mixer, electric industry, electric station, electric system, electric bulb, electric circuit, electric discharge, electric drill, electric generator, electric ignition, electric line, electric model, electric piano, electric plant, electric pulse, electric razor, electric refrigerator, electric resistivity, electric signal, electric train, electric organ, electric switch, electric cooker, electric engine, electric furnace, electric gas, electric hybrid, electric network, electric strength, electrical conductivity, electrical activity, electrical signal, electrical charge, electrical engineering, electrical property, electrical circuit, electrical power, electrical energy, electrical current, electrical component, electrical device, electrical equipment, electrical system, electrical conductor, electrical discharge, electrical impulse, electrical pulse, electrical engineer, electrical contact, electrical field, electrical industry, electrical shock, electrical method, electrical business, electrical grid, electrical machinery, electrical measurement, electrical appliance, electrical cable, electrical connection, electrical heating, electrical output, electrical performance, electrical source, electrical stimulation, electrical wire, electrical force, electrical machine, electrical tool, electrical design, electrical goods, electricity generation, electricity use, electricity consumption, electricity production, electricity gas, electricity grid, electricity supply, electricity distribution, electricity equipment, electricity line, electricity price, electricity technology, electricity demand, electricity industry, electricity utility, electrochemical reduction, electrolyte solution, electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic field, electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic wave, electromagnetic force, electromagnetic energy, electromagnetic theory, electron microscopy, electron microscope, electron positron, electron beam, electron spin, electron laser, electron transfer, electron transport, electron density, electron accelerator, electron cyclotron, electronic device, electronic structure, electronic commerce, electronic system, electronic circuit, electronic component, electronic computer, electronic copy, electronic music, electronic equipment, electronic industry, electronic instrument, electronic waste, electronic machine, electronic information, electronic media, electronic medium, electronic technology, electronic keyboard, electronic design, electronic record, electronic publication, electronic calculator, electronic apparatus, electronic appliance, electronic engineering, electronic form, electronic market, electronic product, electronic signal, electronic switch, electronic trading, electronic unit, electronic business, electronic communication, electronic engineer, electronic goods, electronic means, electronic packaging, electronic transfer, electronic circuitry, electronic clock, electronic element, electronic environment, electronic magazine, electronic network, electronic paper, electronic resource, electronic signature, electronic sound, electronic tag, electronic technique, electronic ticket, electronic version, electronic world, electronic application, electronic assembly, electronic authentication, electronic company, electronic manufacturing, electronic material, electronic service, electronic database, electronics industry, electronics device, electronics engineer, electronics association, electronics engineering, electronics show, electronics technology, electronics company, electronics manufacturing, electronics product, electronics retailer, electronics sector, electrostatic charge, elegant design, elegant lady, elegant solution, elegant dress, elegant method, elegant shape, element model, element composition, element structure, element name, element design, element order, element management, element analysis, element scheme, element type, elemental analysis, elemental composition, elementary particle, elementary school, elementary education, elementary level, elementary teacher, elementary schools, elementary model, elementary operation, elementary student, elementary middle, elementary theory, elephant ivory, elevate mood, elevated level, elevated pressure, elevated temperature, elevated concentration, elevated highway, elevated position, elevation change, elevation region, eliminate need, eliminate waste, eliminate time, eliminate fatigue, eliminate risk, eliminate bias, eliminate pollution, elite class, elite college, elite group, elite culture, elite status, elite circle, elite school, elite training, elite man, elliptical orbit, elliptical galaxy, elliptical shape, email account, email exchange, email address, email message, email system, email name, Emancipation Proclamation, embark campaign, embarrassing moment, embarrassing problem, embed system, embrace change, embrace idea, embrace nature, embrace diversity, embrace reform, embrace life, embrace technology, embryo growth, embryo development, embryological development, embryonic development, embryonic cell, embryonic stage, emergence rate, emergence time, emergency service, emergency department, emergency room, emergency medicine, emergency care, emergency management, emergency treatment, emergency use, emergency preparedness, emergency relief, emergency surgery, emergency assistance, emergency break, emergency food, emergency personnel, emergency status, emergency aid, emergency contraception, emergency funding, emergency legislation, emergency power, emergency fire, emergency physician, emergency services, emergency support, emergency team, emergency disaster, emerging technology, emeritus professor, eminent scientist, eminent person, eminent writer, emission gas, emission control, emission reduction, emission system, emission inventory, emission pollution, emission pollutant, emission target, emission limit, emission method, emission monitoring, emission standard, emission mitigation, emission permit, emission rule, emission detection, emission quantity, emissions trading, emit radiation, emit light, emit signal, emit heat, emotion feeling, emotion experience, emotion regulation, emotion expression, emotion control, emotion cognition, emotion personality, emotion interaction, emotion intelligence, emotional state, emotional experience, emotional response, emotional reaction, emotional expression, emotional disorder, emotional health, emotional effect, emotional intensity, emotional energy, emotional value, emotional life, emotional power, emotional problem, emotional stress, emotional support, emotional appeal, emotional connection, emotional content, emotional damage, emotional commitment, emotional attachment, emotional distance, emotional event, emotional feeling, emotional issue, emotional release, emotional side, emotional stability, emotional attitude, emotional disturbance, emotional impact, emotional baggage, emotional center, emotional change, emotional detachment, emotional distress, emotional information, emotional intelligence, emotional investment, emotional labor, emotional management, emotional outburst, emotional relationship, emotional status, emotional nature, emotional processing, emotional development, emotional tension, emotional significance, emotionally unstable, emotionally expressive, emphasis on, emphasis shift, emphasize importance, emphasize fact, emphasize need, empire building, empirical evidence, empirical method, empirical research, empirical study, empirical science, empirical observation, empirical approach, empirical investigation, empirical testing, empirical work, empirical analysis, empirical question, empirical evaluation, empirical result, empirical test, empirical inquiry, employ method, employ people, employ worker, employ staff, employee work, employee benefit, employee behavior, employee management, employee morale, employee salary, employee benefits, employee contract, employee productivity, employee selection, employee organization, employee share, employee skill, employment opportunity, employment contract, employment interest, employment prospect, employment law, employment level, employment education, employment creation, employment income, employment market, employment opportunities, employment practice, employment act, employment application, employment growth, employment rate, employment tax, employment pattern, employment state, empty space, empty land, empty place, empty seat, empty field, empty bag, empty chair, empty chamber, empty container, empty promise, empty stage, empty street, empty talk, empty bowl, empty slot, empty nest, empty value, empty void, emulsion paint, enable use, enable application, enable access, enable communication, enable system, enable integration, enact law, enact legislation, enclosure movement, encode information, encounter resistance, encounter difficulty, encourage people, encourage development, encourage student, encourage use, encourage child, encourage growth, encourage woman, encourage discussion, encourage participation, encourage public, encourage trade, encourage diversity, encourage investment, encourage production, encourage feedback, encourage family, encourage creation, encourage youth, encryption software, encyclopedia entry, encyclopedic dictionary, end war, end product, end result, end slavery, end user, end season, end day, end discrimination, end goal, end conflict, end point, end time, end call, end career, end poverty, end violence, end date, end meeting, endanger health, endangered species, endangered animal, endangered languages, endless cycle, endless possibility, endless debate, endless repetition, endless stream, endless supply, endless space, endlessly fascinating, endocrine gland, endophytic fungus, endothelial cell, endowment effect, endurance training, endure pain, endure hardship, enemy plane, enemy submarine, enemy ship, enemy soldier, enemy tank, enemy troops, energetic person, energy source, energy level, energy flow, energy consumption, energy density, energy use, energy production, energy efficiency, energy release, energy material, energy state, energy scale, energy transfer, energy momentum, energy resource, energy store, energy surface, energy balance, energy demand, energy system, energy storage, energy supply, energy technology, energy power, energy transport, energy crisis, energy input, energy reserve, energy information, energy generation, energy loss, energy policy, energy form, energy recovery, energy conservation, energy expenditure, energy efficient, energy intake, energy output, energy transition, energy usage, energy cost, energy engineering, energy flux, energy heat, energy product, energy agency, energy commission, energy development, energy environment, energy measure, energy price, energy security, energy field, energy industry, energy management, energy market, energy radiation, energy spectrum, energy difference, energy distribution, energy potential, energy wave, energy administration, energy capacity, energy research, energy transformation, energy company, energy consume, energy dependence, energy exchange, energy model, energy saving, energy transform, energy barrier, energy application, energy requirement, energy save, energy unit, energy function, energy analyst, energy bill, energy business, energy center, energy control, energy coupling, energy drink, energy evaluation, energy forum, energy giant, energy institute, energy intensity, energy plant, energy rate, energy structure, energy trade, energy value, energy variation, energy wastage, energy calculation, energy depletion, energy formula, energy network, energy analysis, energy conversion, energy cycle, energy equipment, energy infrastructure, energy law, energy revolution, energy science, energy separation, energy supplies, energy bar, energy conference, energy mechanism, energy yield, enforce law, enforce regulation, enforce compliance, enforce discipline, enforce rule, enforce ban, enforce code, enforce policy, enforcement law, enforcement official, enforcement action, enforcement agency, enforcement act, enforcement authority, enforcement officer, enforcement personnel, enforcement power, engage activity, engage directly, engagement party, engagement process, engine design, engine size, engine power, engine type, engine efficiency, engine plant, engine fuel, engine heat, engine part, engine performance, engine room, engine manufacturing, engine production, engineer work, engineer build, engineer develop, engineer background, engineer project, engineering project, engineering technology, engineering management, engineering science, engineering use, engineering education, engineering principle, engineering application, engineering discipline, engineering field, engineering design, engineering technique, engineering profession, engineering society, engineering program, engineering school, engineering student, engineering challenge, engineering plan, engineering practice, engineering manufacturing, engineering method, engineering problem, engineering process, engineering research, engineering institute, engineering architecture, engineering environment, engineering firm, engineering mathematics, engineering operation, engineering professor, engineering skill, engineering structure, engineering support, engineering work, engineering analysis, engineering center, engineering knowledge, engineering state, engineering business, engineering company, engineering corporation, engineering department, engineering division, engineering drawing, engineering feat, engineering material, engineering perspective, engineering plastic, engineering projects, engineering sciences, engineering solution, engineering study, engineering team, engineering issue, engineering model, engineering power, engineering tool, engineering art, engineering computer, engineering control, engineering course, engineering degree, engineering industry, engineering innovation, engineering item, engineering job, engineering performance, engineering subject, engineering change, engineering supply, engineering type, English language, English word, English country, English translation, English dictionary, English writer, English law, English speaker, English name, English speak, English grammar, English novelist, English countryside, English novel, English history, English skill, English teacher, English channel, English song, English study, English garden, English people, English company, English course, English society, English version, English class, English contest, English department, English professor, English student, English usage, English composition, English education, English teachers, English text, enhance ability, enhance image, enhance efficiency, enhance understanding, enhance communication, enhance productivity, enhance stability, enhance creativity, enhance effect, enhance production, enhance growth, enhance performance, enhance recovery, enhance value, enhance awareness, enhance confidence, enhance development, enhance effectiveness, enhance function, enhance status, enhance support, enhance memory, enhance safety, enhance color, enhance capacity, enhance competitiveness, enhance cooperation, enhance flexibility, enhance learning, enhance quality, enhance skill, enhance visibility, enhance life, enhance energy, enhance security, enhance mobility, enhanced activity, enhanced security, enhanced stability, enhancement performance, enjoy success, enjoy freedom, enjoy experience, enjoy work, enjoy life, enjoy lifestyle, enjoy popularity, enjoy right, enjoy view, enjoy prosperity, enjoy dinner, enjoy music, enjoy peace, enjoy scenery, enjoy time, enjoy trip, enlightenment thought, enlightenment movement, enlist help, enormous amount, enormous diversity, enormous number, enormous pressure, enormous influence, enormous quantity, enormous range, enormous change, enormous energy, enormous importance, enormous effect, enormous demand, enormous impact, enormous size, enormous success, enormous increase, enormous significance, enormous advantage, enormous animal, enormous benefit, enormous boost, enormous effort, enormous flow, enormous growth, enormous potential, enormous power, enormous problem, enormous profit, enormous scale, enormous sum, enormous value, enormous variety, enormous volume, enormous waste, enormous mass, enormous undertaking, enormously important, enormously popular, enough food, enough time, enough light, enough money, enough force, enough water, enough energy, enough heat, enough mass, enough sunlight, enough information, enough moisture, enough oxygen, enough space, enough evidence, enough people, enough attention, enough power, enough practice, enough pressure, enough protein, enough resource, enough sleep, enough support, enough supply, enough capacity, enough capital, enough courage, enough detail, enough effort, enough exercise, enough faith, enough income, enough land, enough material, enough place, enough strength, enough difference, enough loss, enough quantity, enough respect, enough preparation, enrich soil, enrich knowledge, enrich life, enrich uranium, enrichment culture, enroll university, enroll student, enrollment rate, enrollment system, ensemble performance, ensuing year, ensure access, ensure protection, ensure quality, ensure supply, ensure safety, ensure survival, ensure control, ensure success, ensure security, ensure compliance, ensure development, ensure stability, ensure availability, ensure consistency, ensure continuity, ensure equality, ensure future, ensure progress, ensure effectiveness, ensure achievement, ensure peace. Ensure stock, entangled state, enter market, enter period, enter orbit, enter field, enter state, enter age, enter country, enter force. Enter first, enter school, enter room, enter recession, enter office, enter building, enter chamber, enter era, enter number, enter politics. Enter production, enter service, enter society, enterprise type, enterprise planning, enterprise system, enterprise model, enterprise credit, enterprise demand, enterprise development. Enterprise information, enterprise application, enterprise funding, enterprise worker, enterprise decision, enterprise management, enterprise manufacturing, entertain guest, entertain lavishly, entertain people. Entertaining way, entertainment industry, entertainment center, entertainment news, entertainment venue, entertainment complex, entertainment district, entertainment show, entertainment information, entertainment development. Entertainment media, entertainment medium, entertainment world, enthusiastic participation, entire population, entire world, entire body, entire system, entire field, entire surface, entire area, entire life, entire community, entire industry, entire process, entire army, entire city, entire country, entire nation, entire region, entire year, entire planet, entire universe, entire building, entire family, entire cycle, entire earth, entire ecosystem, entire society, entire spectrum, entire structure, entire work, entire colony, entire continent, entire day, entire generation, entire history, entire length, entire set, entire company, entire fleet, entire organization, entire period, entire sector, entire sequence, entire space, entire domain, entire program, entire route, entire book, entire budget, entire business, entire chain, entire class, entire column, entire document, entire economy, entire existence, entire globe, entire month, entire network, entire night, entire project, entire range, entire record, entire time, entire village, entire web, entire width, entire audience, entire career, entire duration, entire household, entire production, entire thickness, entire volume, entire race, entire situation, entirely new, entirely different, entirely separate, entirely dependent, entirely independent, entirely satisfactory, entirely correct, entirely natural, entirely negative, entirely possible, entirely accurate, entirely clear, entirely consistent, entirely fictional, entirely inadequate, entirely replace, entirely surprising, entirely unexpected, entirely voluntary, entirely unknown, entirely due, entirely distinct, entirely devoted, entrance examination, entrance space, entrance exam, entrance fee, entrance hall, entrance ticket, entrance lobby, entrance section, entrance gate, entrepreneurial spirit, entry level, entry point, environment program, environment change, environment agency, environment influence, environment system, environment protection, environment affect, environment factor, environment impact, environment development, environment condition, environment day, environment design, environment program, environment policy, environment committee, environment industry, environment minister, environment ministry, environment report, environment research, environment surrounding, environment variable, environment control, environment friendly, environment protect, environment effect, environmental protection, environmental condition, environmental factor, environmental issue, environmental movement, environmental impact, environmental change, environmental problem, environmental science, environmental degradation, environmental effect, environmental economics, environmental economic, environmental influence, environmental policy, environmental law, environmental management, environmental monitoring, environmental resource, environmental study, environmental concern, environmental group, environmental health, environmental damage, environmental justice, environmental challenge, environmental pollution, environmental stress, environmental assessment, environmental pressure, environmental scientist, environmental chemistry, environmental cost, environmental quality, environmental organization, environmental sustainability, environmental legislation, environmental research, environmental system, environmental agreement, environmental governance, environmental art, environmental chemical, environmental education, environmental engineering, environmental pollutant, environmental knowledge, environmental noise, environmental awareness, environmental destruction, environmental history, environmental implication, environmental regulation, environmental threat, environmental activist, environmental standard, environmental consideration, environmental harm, environmental hazard, environmental planning, environmental stewardship, environmental technology, environmental variation, environmental benefit, environmental action, environmental aspect, environmental catastrophe, environmental cause, environmental conservation, environmental disaster,